Hey friends, this is Atif Opir Val and welcome to the new update on EOS coin. As in my earlier videos, I was showing you that EOS coin broke out a very big falling wedge pattern on a weekly time frame chart, and after that, it was also trying to break out a very big and huge resistance of Ichimoku bearish cloud as well. And this was my last video. And I was also showing you that it also broke out another falling wedge pattern on the daily time frame chart and another up channel as well. And this was the falling wedge pattern that I was showing you in my previous video on the daily time frame chart, and this was the up channel breakout. And after that, you can see that the price line has rallied very well, but got rejected by this very long-term resistance on that starts from $1.15 and goes to $1.30. And if we take a look at the weekly time frame chart, then we can see that previously this resistance zone has been breaking as a very strong support zone here for a few weeks in the month of May 2022. And after the breakdown, it was flipped into a resistance. We got few rejections here, and finally the price and broke it out. We had a bounce here, and after the breakdown here, since after the month of October 2022, you can see it is breaking as a very strong resistance. We got stable ejections here, and now recently we got few more rejections here as well. And after the rejection, the price line has broken down these two support levels. One was here at 91.5 cents. That was previously breaking as a support here, and almost as support here as well. And here is the resistance. And now recently we have broken down this support of 80 cents as well. That was previously breaking as a resistance here and support here. And now it can again work as a resistance. Recently, you can see that the price line is down from this support of 64.3 cents. In fact, this is another support zone that starts from 64.3 cents and goes to 60 cents. That was previously breaking as a support zone here. And after the breakdown, it was flipped into a resistance zone for several weeks. The price line got rejected. And after the breakout, it again worked as a support zone here and here. And now recently, you can see that the price line is down from the support zone. If we take a look at the daily time frame chart, then you can see that nicely the price line is bound from the support zone, and now it is getting accumulated below this resistance of 80 cents. And at the same time, it is also trying to break out this very huge resistance of Ichimoku bearish cloud. Previously, we broke it out here for a while, for a few weeks, but after getting rejected by this resistance zone, it is again re-entered the cloud, and now we are testing the lower bands of Ichimoku bearish cloud as a support as well. And in today's video, we will analyze this move. But before starting this analysis, if you are not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe it. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. And if you would like to see how my trading signals work, then I have also shared the link for the trading signal report for the previous month of March 2024 in the video's description. You just need to open that report. And if you would like to check or verify any trading signal, like this, the trade setup for Synapse, you just need to click on the link for the trade setup, and it will take you to the trading view chart. And on this chart, you can see when I shared the signal. For example, in this case, I shared the signal here on 2nd of March, and you can also watch the complete trade setup as well. Like this was the buying range and the sell target zone and the stop loss. And in order to see how the price then moved after sharing this signal, you need to click the play button available on the chart, like I'm doing here. And after that, it will show you how the price line moved up from the buying zone and rallied to the sell target zone. Now let me to take you to the live chart of EOS coin. And this is the weekly time frame chart that I've been showing in my previous videos. And this is the falling wedge pattern. And you can see that the EOS coin was moving inside this wedge since after the month of December 2020. Here we had a fake out, but the price and re-entered the same wedge. We got several ejections and several bounces from the support as well. And after getting squeezed inside this wedge, finally, we broke out the resistance of this wedge. And we also broke out this very strong and long-term resistance on that starts from 60 cents and goes to 64.3 cents. And now you can see for the past several weeks, it is working as a nice support. We tested the support here, and recently after this huge drop, the price and is again bounced from this support zone. And at the same time, you can see that the price line is also trying to break out this very huge resistance of Ichimoku bearish cloud as well. A few weeks ago, we broke it out here, but it got rejected by this long-term resistance zone that starts from $1.15 and goes to $1.30. It has been re-entered the same Ichimoku bearish cloud, and we have broken down the upper bands of Ichimoku bearish cloud, and now it is testing the lower bands of this Ichimoku bearish cloud. And now we have two supports here. One is the support of Ichimoku bearish cloud, the lower bands of Ichimoku bearish cloud, and the next is slightly lower than the support of Ichimoku, lower bands of Ichimoku bearish cloud. That is here. That starts from 64.3 cents and goes to 16 cents. Therefore, it will be quite difficult for the price line of the EOS coin to move more down from here. However, in case of price reversal, I'm expecting that it can again make another attempt to break out this long-term resistance on that starts from $1.15 and goes to $1.30. And now we also need to break out these two resistance levels once again. Previously, you can see that we broke out these two resistance levels here, and now we have broken it down, these resistance levels. And now we can see that the first resistance is here at 80 cents, and the next will be here at 91.5 cents. And then we will need to break out this very, very strong and long-term resistance on. Now, if we take a look at the final target for this huge breakout from this very, very big falling wedge pattern, that target is, by the way, here at the top of the wedge. That can be between $8 to $10. So this was the update so far. I hope that you'll like the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.